There are cars that go fast, and then there's this. On a quiet runway in southern Sweden, a $5 million hypercar just did something no production car has ever done. It broke 300 kilometers an hour in a quarter mile. This is the Koenigsegg Jesko Absolut, and what you're about to see shouldn't be possible. Under the rear deck sits a 5-liter, twin-turbocharged V8, built around the lightest V8 crankshaft ever put in a road car. On race fuel, it screams out 1,600 horsepower. On pump gas, still an obscene 1280. Power routes through Koenigsegg's own 9-speed light-speed transmission. No clutch pedal, no hesitation. And here's the part that should terrify you. This car is rear-wheel drive. No hybrid motors up front. No all-wheel drive safety net. Just one axle, translating over 1,000 horsepower into forward motion. On a runway that was never even prepped for grip. Behind the wheel, factory test driver Marcus Lund. The date, June 6th, Sweden's National Day. The mission, go faster than any production car ever has. 3, 2, 1, launch. 0 to 60 in a blink, barely over 2 seconds. The car is already a blur before most drivers would finish reading this sentence. Then the quarter-mile mark arrives, 8.54 seconds, and the trap speed lights up at 190 miles per hour, 305 kilometers an hour, the first production car in history to cross that line. And Lund did it, reportedly, with a phone in one hand. But the run isn't over. The Absolut keeps pulling, keeps screaming down the runway. At the half-mile marker, 12.76 seconds, 232 miles per hour, another record. 2 records, 1 run, 1 car. No hybrid assist, no prepped drag surface, just raw, unfiltered rear-wheel drive violence. Verified, certified, official. But here's the twist that makes this bigger than one record run. These numbers didn't come from a new engine, or new aero, or a new car at all. They came from a software update. Koenigsegg calls it Absolute Overdrive, and it's rolling out, right now, over the air, to every Jesko Absolut owner on Earth. Free, no wrench required. Somewhere tonight, in a climate-controlled garage, a Jesko Absolut just got faster while it was parked. That's not just a record. That's the future of what a hypercar can become, even after you've already bought it. Steel Reborn.